Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare a very simple recipe, that is tomato and egg bhurji. To prepare this recipe, the ingredients that we require are: I have taken 3 eggs here, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, I have roughly chopped them, 2 big onions, I have roughly chopped them also. Here 2 green chillies. If you want it more spicy, you can increase these green chillies. I have cut them diagonally. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves, salt as per our taste, and I'll be using oil. So now let's get started. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm going to add the chopped onions. And saute them for near about half a minute so that the rawness of the onion goes away. After sauteing it for half a minute, I am going to add the tomatoes, green chilies, and little bit of salt just for the tomatoes to get cooked. And now mix it together. And cook over a high flame till the tomatoes get slightly cooked. Meanwhile, friends, we will add little salt to these 3 eggs. And now beat it. Beat it properly. Now friends, as you can see, our tomatoes are slightly dissolved. So now I'm going to add half of the fresh coriander leaves, the stems and all. I'll cook this for a minute. Now as our tomatoes are cooked, we will put them in a side like this, and we will add this egg little by little. Now we will add the remaining egg mixture. Add little bit of fresh coriander leaves. Now we will mix it with the tomato and onion. And now we will scramble it. Like this we will just scramble it. You want it, you can add fresh black pepper powder to this. We'll scramble it like this and cook for half a minute. So here is our egg bhurji ready. We will sprinkle the remaining coriander leaves. And now I will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our yummy egg and tomato bhurji ready. Serve it hot. Super easy recipe, friends. You can make this and pack it in the tiffin. You can have it for lunch, for breakfast. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Garnish it with some green chillies or fresh coriander leaves. You can also use tomatoes to garnish this. See you soon, friends. Bye.